Today I'm going to show you how to remove the 820 board from the L400. First, you're going to want to remove the 20-pin power connector. Just push on this little tab here and remove the other 4-pin power connector. Okay. Once that's removed, go ahead and remove the SATA. Just gently pull it up. And go ahead and remove the IDE. Okay. Next, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to remove these screws on the board. It's 1, 2, 3, and I believe there's one more right here. 4. Oh, 5. Okay. Remove the USB cable and remove the front panel connectors. Gently pull it back. Next, you're going to want to remove the CPU. Pull back this tab, push down, and pull back. Pull the CPU's fan switch, pull this lever back, and gently pull up the processor. Now be careful not to bend these pins. Next, remove the RAM. Push back the lever, and go ahead and put the 820 motherboard to the side. Also, you're going to want to remove the old I/O and use the one that we supplied to you. Line it up with the back of the new board, and you're going to want to push this tab up. Start from the bottom and push. It should just snap it. Great. Now we're going to want to get the new board ready. Put the memory and the processor back in. The little arrow at the tip is going to go at the corner here. Push down the lever. Let's see, put the fan and connect it to the fan switch. Okay. CPU fan back on. And the other one here. Now, if it feels like it doesn't go in, you don't want to force it because you can break the plastic tabs. A little tricky. Again, you don't want to force it. Okay. Just hold it down. There we go. Next, put the memory. Don't hold it by the pins because you can damage the RAM that way. Pull these levers back, gently push on each side, put the CPU fan in. And that concludes how to remove the board. This is part 1.